Well, after everything that we've been through, we just couldn't see giving up on trying to have a puppy. So we talked to a local breeder, and here is little Gabriella. And she comes with all her papers and a championship line being bred, and hopefully she can help us get over the loss of Sophia. Another German Shepherd. We love Shepherds. Matter of fact, it was our first dog that we ever had was Sophia. And she stands still. Hey! Hey! Say hi! She's at 8 weeks. Well, actually 9. And we've had her since Wednesday. That's why I haven't made too many videos. I've been kind of busy. But she's doing really, really good. And she's adjusting pretty well. And she seems to be quite a happy girl. Gabriella. Gabriella. Not interested. Well, she likes to play soccer, that's for sure. Come on. So, I just figure I'd give you guys an update. I've got a new pup, and hopefully everything will go well. She was in a kennel with cedar chips, and to help her go to the bathroom, I figure I'd just lay some in the backyard here. Try to get her used to going to the bathroom. And so far it's worked pretty good. We haven't had any accidents. And she's really good. It's funny to watch her run. Especially with the little legs. Here, come on. Show them what you can do. Ready? Ready? Alright, here we go. Go get it. No interest. Of course, unless I go after it. Hurry up. Alright. Are you going to get it now? And she can carry... Oh. Come on, watch. Hey, hey. Not going to go pounce on it? Maybe she's camera shy. Well, that's about it. I just figure I'd show everybody the new baby. Hopefully everything will go well. We're nervous about it, of course. But we're going to give her all the love in the world that we can. And that's what's most important. See you guys later.